Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while since I've posted anything, but today's video is gonna be a little bit different because as you can see I'm not wearing nothing, no makeup, no nothing. I'm here to just show you guys what I got in this month's Boxycharm. And so yeah, let's get into it. We're sipping on a michelada. We're in this big old cup. It's a Saturday night. We chilling out here. So yeah, let's get started, okay? But before we do that, I want to give a big shout out for doing a horrible job. I don't know who did this, if the post office, my local post office. I'm guessing it was the post office because I don't think Boxycharm would send me something like this. Like, what is up with this? Like, this box is destroyed, literally, like seriously. Wow. Well, anyways, this is the Boxycharm for the month of June, and here's the little paper for it. So now let's get into it, see what we got. So look, when I open it, wow. So here you go. Let me just remove all the extra stuff. Here's what we got, our little goodies. And some of the stuff in here was also destroyed. So yeah, let's get into it. So this first one is an eyeliner by Beauty Vaulte, and this has an MSRP of $18. Okay, then we have this Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump, and this has an MSRP of $32. Then we're gonna go with this bronzer, Viseart. I don't know how. I'm horrible at pronunciation, so I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, this bronzer has is $30 for this. We also have Dr. Brandt primer, and this is $38. I am really excited to try this. I don't know why. I have a thing right now with primers, and that is because I have huge pores. I have pores, huge pores. I have a lot of acne scars. So I haven't found a primer that I can say that's the one, you know, that I am in love with. I cannot. So I'm excited to try this out, see how it works. And last but not least, we have this little palette, Voss Sunkissed Summer. So it's gonna be a perfect palette. Ooh. Okay, I can open it from that side. Okay. Let me show you the colors. Look how beautiful those colors are. Amazing. I can't wait to use it. Let's swatch some of them. Let's see. So here's 3 of them right here. Well, that yellow one is hard to see, but this is what they look like. And then the bronzer, look, I thought this was super cute. Look. This is also another thing that I don't know if it got messed up because of the way they handled my box, but where is it at? You can't even see it. It's right here. It's right here. I don't know if I need to do it harder or what's the problem. It's not that dark, but it's good. We could work with it. Okay, let's see right here. So it's a little light on the lighter side. It's not too dark, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I am excited to use these products. Oh, I forgot. Let's try out this eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. I'm sorry, I don't know if you can hear my kids in the background, but they're yelling. Yeah, every time I'm about to do a video, they decide, oh, let's just yell. So here I swatched it again. So yeah, I can't wait. This was a good box, just not the box itself, because it came all busted up and everything. So thank you for watching, and I will do a video hopefully soon using this palette, maybe like a summer look. We'll see. All right, thank you once again for watching. Bye bye.